Hey guys, how's it going on this sunny fun Friday? Fun because we've got a fun knife in here, so let's earthquake. Let's take a look at what I think is fun. We're going to use the Sencut wax Wachi or something like that. Great knife, hard name to say. Oh, okay. Right, well here it is, guys. In this little black box. What does it say on here? Knife assisted opening, stainless steel. That's about all I can make out. Right, nondescript kind of box. Let's get it into it. How's that one, guys? How's that for a splash of colour? Eh? Crazy knife, huh? Now, I don't even remember who made this thing. Let's see if we can get into it. Plate centering's good. We're off to a good start. I like the jazzy colours. I like a fun knife sometimes, just fun. I can see lots of eyes in there, like alligator eyes and stuff. Let's get into it. Right, pops open pretty good. I like the recurve on it. I like this recurve blade. Oh, that's real sharp. Surprised. Just a cheap, inexpensive knife. Bit of jimping up here, a couple of nice good sized thumb studs. Lock up is pretty early, I don't mind early. Yeah. Pocket clip there, not deep carry. We'll have a look in a minute. Let's have a look, see what that looks like. Take the whole Ming out. Great knife this. A couple of people have been asking me about the whole Ming. All I can say really is just get one, you won't be disappointed. It's an awesome knife. Strong as a battleship. Right, let's see what this looks like in the pocket. There you go, that's how it's gonna go. Not deep, plenty to grab hold of. That's how it is. Right, let's look at this thing. Can you put a lanyard on it? Well, kind of. It's got the hole opening here for a lanyard, but as you can see the blade tip. So that might nibble away at your lanyard over time. Look at this plasticky bit on the side here. Well, it's got a flipper tab. Let's flip it. It's in a kind of down position on the flipper tab. Yeah. Spring assist, comes open real easy. Yeah, you can see the lock up there a little better. What's that, kind of 25%? Just about where I like it, to be honest. There's a bit of jimping at the rear end here. It's got no lightening holes in the steel liners, but it doesn't feel crazy. It doesn't feel crazy heavy as compared to the Sencut. Yeah, the Sencut's a little lighter. Yeah. Sencut's quite a bit lighter. But I'd say, I'm guessing, so don't hang me, 4.5 ounces. I don't know what it's running on, I can't quite see. Oh yeah, I can. It's running on nylon washers. And it doesn't drop shut. Oh, it can't drop shut. Silly me, my fault. Because spring assist, look. Spring assist there, boink. So anyway, Fun Knife Friday. That's my fun knife for the week. I like the jazzy colours, and that's purely why I bought it. But now that I have it, I like the recurved blade. I like that it's super razor sharp. That is ridiculously sharp actually for a cheapo knife. Yeah, watch. That sharp knife. Alright, keeping this short, guys. Oh no, no we're not, no we're not. 3.5 inch blade. Yeah, 3.5 inch blade. And it's 8 inches overall. Decent blade stock to it. Not a bad blade stock. 3mm blade stock. Not a bad little knife. Nice bit of fun, first and foremost. Super sharp. 3.5 inch blade, yeah. Liner lock. It's got a flipper tab. It's got thumb studs. Spring assist. I think it's, what did I pay for this thing? I gotta think, 15, 16 bucks. I'm happy with that. I've got me 15, 16 bucks worth. And there's like snake eyes in there, and yeah, that's what it is, snakes. Anyway, don't know much about this knife. I may do another video on it, but this is just Fun Knife Friday. Gotta have fun with your knives, guys. Catch you later.